In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set environment variable for Jupyter Notebook. If you're working with code that expects configuration values, an environment variable is a handy place to store them during a session. Let's walk through it from a blank start. First, open your Jupyter interface in the browser so you're looking at your Jupyter Home or File view. This is where you can manage notebooks and files. Next, create a fresh notebook. At the top menu, click File, hover over New, and choose Notebook. Make sure it opens with a Python kernel. That's what we'll use to interact with the operating system. In the first cell, type the following 3 lines. Importos my variable equals hello Jupyter. Printos. Environ my variable. Then run the cell. You can click the Run button or press Shift and Enter. You should see hello Jupyter printed right below the cell. Here's what happened. We imported Python's built-in OS module, which gives you access to environment variables. We set a new variable called my variable to a simple test value, and we read it back with print to verify it's available in this notebook session. That variable now exists for the lifetime of this Jupyter kernel, so any later cells in this same notebook can access it with OS, environ my variable. If you restart the kernel or open another notebook, you'll need to set it again because this method only affects the current process. Use this approach for temporary values and quick experiments. For anything sensitive, avoid hard-coding real secrets directly in a notebook or printing them to output. Instead, consider loading them securely when you start your session and keep them out of version control. And that's it. You've set and read an environment variable right inside Jupyter. Keep this pattern handy, and you'll be able to configure your notebooks quickly and confidently.